Hey, what's up? When you turn on a laptop that has not been used for a long time, only to find that you have forgotten the administrator password, which makes Windows 7 impossible. How to remove administrator password in Windows 7 without login. This video will show you two solutions for everyone. Method 2. Remove Windows 7 password with PassFab 4-Win key. In another accessible computer, launch PassFab 4-Win key. Insert an empty USB flash drive and select it. Click Next. Once done, follow the instructions. Insert the USB boot disk into the computer. Then restart the computer. Press F12 to enter the boot menu. Select USB to boot. After PassFab 4-Win key is started, choose Windows 7 System. Choose an administrator account without a password. Select Reset Account Password and click Next. Enter the new password and click Reset. After the account password is reset, click Reboot the computer. OK, the administrator account password has been reset. That's all for today. Click the link in the description and try the PassFab 4-Win key. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. See you next video.